Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. Up to now in the previous classes we have seen clearly about the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. And almost all the chemical properties are cleared beta. But few properties are left, but they are important only for a competitive point of view. That few left properties we will discuss in next class. Okay na? Now in this class I want to discuss one more property is there in NCERT textbook, that is nothing but the uses of carbonyl compounds. So mainly we have to discuss about the uses of four carbonyl compounds. One is formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone, and one more is aromatic aldehyde, nothing but benzaldehyde. Okay na beta? Right. So one by one let me consider. First of all here I am going to explain about the formaldehyde. Sir, what is the formula of formaldehyde? HCHO, or simply you can say that CH2O. Okay na? Right. So the one of the best use of formaldehyde is it can be used in the manufacture of polymers. Polymers making में use करते बेटा. Especially we can prepare synthetic plastics. Okay. So which type of polymers or which type of synthetic plastics we can manufacture by using formaldehyde? Number one is bakelite, very important. Number two polymer is urea formaldehyde resin, or we can say urea formaldehyde plastics. So this like of property, okay na, like this properties we can manufacture by using what na, formaldehyde. Okay na. So try to remember, sir, how to prepare bakelite. Bakelite is the polymer. It can be prepared by using two monomers. One is phenol, one more is nothing but formaldehyde. So by using these two monomers, how to prepare bakelite, that we are going to be discussed in polymers chapter nana. Okay na? Right. And what is the use of bakelite, sir? It can be used especially in making electrical goods, nothing but switches, plugs, and computer desks and combs. All the plastic materials, they are made with what nana? Bakelite. In that bakelite manufacturing, we are using formaldehyde. Okay na beta? And unbreakable cups, lamination sheets, such plastics are made by using urea formaldehyde resin. Again in that manufacturing, we are using formaldehyde. Okay, right. And another also very important question. It may going to be repeat for 1 mark question or going to be repeat for 2 marks. Sir, what is mean by formalin? Very important. Formalin. Formalin means just one word meaning. Formaldehyde solution. Means formaldehyde is solute. Water is nothing but solvent. 40 ml of formaldehyde we have to be dissolved in, which is dissolved in 100 ml of water. Okay na beta? Means we can say that aqueous presence of water, aqueous 40% of formaldehyde solution is called formalin. Sir, what is the use of formalin? Why we are using formalin solution? So the use is nothing but the, yes, of course you may see that clearly nana. And biological in botany nana, especially some biological specimens will be there nana, like embryos and plants. Generally they will be stored in glass materials. Inside one solution will be there nana. Such solution is nothing but formalin solution. Okay, so formalin solution or aqueous 40% of formaldehyde solution, it can be used for the preservation of, it can be used for the preservation of biological specimens. What beta? Biological specimens. So biological specimens such as like embryos and plants, okay na, they can be preserved, they can be protected against the microorganisms inside the glass material by preserving in the solution. The solution is nothing but what beta? Formalin. Okay, so what is meant by formalin and what is the use of formalin? I have given here clearly. Sir, why we are using formalin solution? For the preservation of biological specimens. Because of formalin solution, it contains the nature is nothing but disinfectants. Means it can controls the growth of microorganisms. It can kills the microorganisms. Okay, na beta. So it can kills microorganisms means we can say that it contain the nature is nothing but the germicide nature. Germicide means side means kills. Okay, what it kills? It can kills the germs. I mean microorganisms, and they can preserve the biological specimens. I hope you understand that clearly. Okay, na beta. Good. Next one is another use of formaldehyde. I am going to show you. Formaldehyde can be used in the manufacturing of one of the very important medicinal compound, that is nothing but what beta? Urotropine. Urotropine. Here we don't need to discuss about the urotropine preparation. By using formaldehyde, how to prepare urotropine, that is important for objective point of view, that I am going to tell you in tomorrow's class. But you should remember, as per theory point of view, formaldehyde can be used in the manufacture of urotropine, and also we can say that HMTA, very important. So what is meant by HMTA? I will tell you. Okay, H means hexa, M for methylene. So the formula of methylene is CH2. But how many methylene? 6 means we can say that hexa methylene TA. We have to say that tetraamide means N4. CH2 taken 6, N4, hexamethylene tetraamine. This is known as HMTA, and also we can say that urotropine. It can be manufactured by the reaction of formaldehyde with ammonia. Okay, na beta. Right. So what is the use of urotropine? It is a medicinal substance. It can be used for the treatment of urinary infections. So urinary tract infections को treatment करने के लिए we can take the help of what ना urotropine, because it contain the nature is antiseptic nature, and also we can say that it contain the nature is nothing but germicide nature. Right. So next use I am going to tell you, that is about what Nana? Formaldehyde. You know very well, we have did, that is nothing but what Nana? Yes, we did the test, that is nothing but the Tollens test and Fehling's test, whatever that may be, both they are positive for aliphatic aldehydes. So the best example of aliphatic aldehyde is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is positive for Tollens test and it forms silver mirror, and also I have told you black precipitate. So it is used in silvering of mirror. Means for the purpose of silver black coating, we can use the compound is nothing but one beta formaldehyde. Okay, next one I am going to tell you. Formaldehyde, it can be used in the manufacturing of dyes, nothing but coloring substances. Okay, for suppose, so it can be used in the manufacturing of synthetic dyes, nothing but artificial colored substances. In that we can consider the example, that is nothing but the para-rosanilin, and one more is nothing but we can consider that is nothing but the indigo. So para-rosanilin and what beta indigo, like this type of, both are nothing but the colored substances. Like this colored substances or synthetic dyes, they can be manufactured with the help of what Nana? Formaldehyde. So this is your story about what Nana? Formaldehyde. Yes, and last and final I am going to tell you, by using formaldehyde, and it can be used in the manufacture of one type of medicine. The medicine name is nothing but Pharmamint. What is the medicine name beta? Pharmamint. So Pharmamint, it can be manufactured by the use of what Nana? Formaldehyde, and it can be used in the treatment of especially what Nana is a throat infection, especially tonsils. Okay, treatment के लिए use कर सकते हैं Nana. So what is the name of medicine? We can say that is nothing but the Pharmamint. Pharmamint. It is a throat lozenge. Means they are used in the what nana is a treatment of what nana tonsils and also we can say the throat infections. So the medicine name is nothing but Pharmamint. It can be prepared with the help of what nana formaldehyde. So how it can be prepared? Especially we have to take two components. One is formaldehyde. One more is nothing but the lactose carbohydrate. So formaldehyde plus lactose, mixture of these two. Okay, that is how to say that Pharmamint. Each and every use is important among all the carbonyl compounds. Okay, now most important compound is formaldehyde. All the uses are very important for you, Nana. So try to remember what is meant by urotropin. Urotropin means hexamethylene tetraamine. Formula is nothing but CH2 take N6 and we can say that N4. Story clear? Yeah. So first three are very important. Next go for another compound. I am going to discuss about the acetaldehyde. So what was the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde is either aliphatic or aromatic compound. Yes, it is also aliphatic compound. The formula is nothing but what beta? CH3CHO. Right. So let me give first use of formaldehyde. Actually, acetaldehyde it also contains one of the nature. The nature is nothing but antiseptic nature. So due to its antiseptic nature, it can be used in making antiseptic nose inhalant. So the patients those are suffering with what nana, especially what nana respiratory problem, they generally they will use what nana inhalers, they will use nabeta. So in that, okay, acetaldehyde can be used due to its antiseptic nature. So we have to say that acetaldehyde it is going to be used as an antiseptic. It's going to be used as an antiseptic due to its antiseptic nature. It can be used as an antiseptic inhalant. Antiseptic inhalant for what nana is used for the nose troubles. This is very important point for you. Antiseptic inhaler for nose troubles. In that we can use what nana acetaldehyde. Next point I am going to tell you. By using acetaldehyde, we can prepare two very important compounds. That preparation not for theory point of view, that preparation for objective point of view, that we are going to discuss in tomorrow's class. But I should remember now, sir, what are the compounds, what are their formulas. Okay, so by using acetaldehyde, we can prepare paraldehyde compound. Which compound? Paraldehyde compound. And also we are going to prepare one more compound, that is nothing but the metaldehyde. Both the formulas are important and both the uses are important. So many times repeated in competitive exams. Okay. So acetaldehyde can be used in the manufacture of paraldehyde and metaldehyde. Sir, what is the use of paraldehyde? Paraldehyde is especially it going to be used in medicinal field because of it going to be act as hypnotic drug. What is meant by hypnotic? Sleep producers means especially they are going to show their action on CNS, central nervous system. So due to this reason only hypnotic means sleep producers. That medicine में अपन क्या यूज कर सकते हैं बेटा? Formaldehyde. That formaldehyde was prepared from acetaldehyde. Okay, and one more is nothing but metaldehyde. Yes, it is also one type of chemical substance, but it is somewhat dangerous in nature. So we have to say that it is nothing but a solid fuel. Solid fuel. Sir, why they are using this solid fuel? So especially pesticides and herbicides, they can be used by the farmers, na beta. Why they are using? To kill slugs and such snails. Yes or no beta? So to kill slugs and snails, metaldehyde solid fuel can be used. This type of both the chemicals and medicines, they can be prepared from acetaldehyde by the procedure is known as polymerization. And how to say that? Cyclic polymerization. Sir, how sir? 3 moles of acetaldehyde upon cyclic polymerization that gives paraldehyde. So the formula is CH3CHO, all taken thrice. 4 moles of acetaldehyde upon cyclic polymerization that forms metaldehyde. So the formula of metaldehyde is CH3CHO taken 4. CH3, CHO taken what, Nana? 4. So like this type of medicines and chemicals, both are very, very important. Their formulas and their uses. Okay, they can be prepared from what, Nana? Acetaldehyde. You have to be remember. Okay, and third point I am going to tell that. Yeah, beta. What is the compound? Acetaldehyde. So by using this acetaldehyde, we can prepare a special material, special compound. This special compound, we can say that is nothing but the rubber accelerator. This is the question repeated in objective exam also, Nana. Yes. So rubber accelerator, it was prepared by using which carbonyl compound? In the manufacturing of rubber accelerator, we can use acetaldehyde upon addition with ammonia. So we can say that it can be prepared by the mixture of what, Nana? Acetaldehyde plus ammonia. And also simply we can say that acetaldehyde, ammonia, this mixture going to be used as rubber accelerator. Very important for you. Yeah, next point I am going to tell you. Formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, both are nothing but the aliphatic hydrocarbons, aliphatic carbonyl compounds. So definitely they are what, Nana? Positive for Tollens test, means it can be used in silvering of mirror test. Silvering of mirror. In this method, we can be use this compound, Nana. Okay, all of you. Next point is I am going to tell you here also first three are very important and very special. Last two, that is common for all, Nana. Okay, right. Another thing I am going to tell you, acetaldehyde, it can be used in preparations of, and also we can say that in the manufacturing of, number one is आपको मालूम acetaldehyde upon oxidation gives acetic acid. So it can be used in manufacturing of acetic acid. And also we can say that it can be used in the manufacturing of acetic anhydride after the loss of water molecule. And also it can be used in the manufacturing of chloral. Very, very, very important. You know the formula of chloral. Chloral formula CCl3CHO. CCl3CHO. Trichloroacetaldehyde, that is known as what, Nana? Chloral. So this is acetaldehyde, this is trichloroacetaldehyde. Trichloroacetaldehyde means all three alpha hydrogens are replaced by the chlorine and you are getting the compound that is nothing but the chloral. And also it can be used in the manufacturing of dyes, nothing but colored substances, and also it can be used in the manufacturing of drugs. Already I have told you that is nothing but the hypnotic drug. Okay, na beta. So these are the around 4 to 5 uses I have given to you, but focus on first 3 only. Enough, Nana. Okay. Next one is I am going to discuss about the another compound. You suppose that is nothing but the acetone. What is the compound? Acetone. What is the formula of acetone? So this is the first member of ketone group. The compound name is nothing but acetone. Its formula is nothing but CH3 bond, C double bond O bonded to CH3. So now I am going to give you the uses of acetone. In that, number one is acetone can be used in the manufacturing of one of the very, very important compound. The compound name is called cardite. Very important, beta. You should not be neglected. So acetone can be used in the manufacturing of cardite. Sir, what is meant by cardite? What is the use of this cardite? Cardite is a smokeless. Cardite is a smokeless explosive powder. Nature is explosive nature, but वहाँ पर smokes नहीं आते ना. Okay, so a smokeless explosive powder. A smokeless explosive powder. Okay, that is nothing but cardite. In the manufacturing of cardite, we are going to use what, Nana? Acetone. And go for one more thing. What is the carbonyl compound used in nail polish, or we can say nail polish remover? In that compound, we can use the acetone. It is also important question. So it is used as what, beta? Nail polish remover. So which carbonyl compound is used as nail polish remover? That is, the answer is nothing but what, Nana? So for that we have to say the answer is nothing but acetone. Next one is I am going to tell that. Yeah, beta. So acetone, it can be used in the manufacturing of so many types of chemicals. We can use prepare nana by using water acetone, but one of the chemical I want to tell that it can be used in the manufacturing of iodoform because of it contain free alpha CH3. Upon iodoform test, we have utilized this compound. Upon iodoform, you will get the I2 by NaOH, you will get iodoform, Cl2 by NaOH, you will get chloroform. So it can be used in the manufacturing of chloroform, and also by using acetone. We can prepare one of the very important compound. Already that compound I have told you in halogen chapter, but once again I am going to repeat. That is nothing but the chloritone. What is the compound? Chloritone. Sir, what is the use of chloritone? Repeated question in NEET exam. Chloritone is hypnotic drug, same like paraldehyde. Okay, now yes, and also we can manufacture by using this. We can manufacture the one is iodoform and chloroform and what chloritone, and also one more chemical also we can manufacture. The compound name is called sulfonal. So like this type of chemicals we can manufacture by using what acetone. Next one is one more thing I want to tell you. This is important for you. Among the following, which carbonyl compound is used for the storing of acetylene? For the storage of acetylene, for the transportation of acetylene. That means such carbonyl compound does not show reaction with acetylene. Okay, now so the compound is nothing but what acetone. It can be used as inert solvent for the storage and transportation of acetylene gas. So it is used for what storing of acetylene gas, storing of C2H2 gas. Okay, it can be stored and it can be transported with the help of the solvent is nothing but what acetone, because of both they does not show react with each other. Next point is I am going to tell that acetone, it can be used as a solvent in most of the organic reactions, especially it going to be used as a solvent in the manufacturing of polymers. So polymer preparation में अपन solvent जैसे use कर सकते हैं. Which compound? Acetone. Sir, which type of polymers we can prepare? Yes. Number one is cellulose acetate. And number two is cellulose nitrate. And also one more is cellulides. And one more is nothing but the lacquers and resins. Nothing but some gum-like materials. Lacquer ka meaning gum-like materials. Okay, and also we can say polymeric products. So cellulose acetate and cellulose nitrate and cellulides and lacquers and resins such like plastics and gum-like materials, so they can be manufactured with the help of solvent. That is nothing but acetone. Here also you have to be focused on three things. One is cardite, one more is nail polisher, and one more is nothing but storing of acetylene. But acetone do not used in silvering of mirror. Yes or no beta? Because of only aldehydes are positive, ketones are negative for Tollens test. So it cannot be used in silver mirror. Only formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Okay now beta? Right. Next point I am going to tell you, okay, formaldehyde and acetaldehyde and acetone. And one more compound, important compound, that is nothing but the aromatic aldehyde. So what is the example of aromatic aldehyde? Simply we can say that benzaldehyde. Okay beta? Yeah. Yes, here I am going to consider in the uses of carbonyl compounds. Fourth compound I am going to be discussed now. What is the first compound? Formaldehyde, and second compound is acetaldehyde, and you suppose you can consider third compound, that is nothing but acetone, and fourth and last one, enough nana, that is nothing but the benzaldehyde. Yes. Sir, what is the formula of benzaldehyde? Benzene bonded to CHO, otherwise you can write the C6H5 bonded to CHO. C6H5 bonded to CHO. Okay. Now I am going to consider the number one part. And one of the best use is, actually in the physical properties I have given one point, Nana. Try to remember that point. Lower member of aldehydes and ketones, they contain pungent smell, bad smell. But as the number of carbons goes to be increases, they will becomes more fragrant. They are having well-known odor. They contains very well pleasant smell. If the number of carbons goes to be increases, that one I have told you now beta. Yes. So here benzaldehyde, it contain number of carbons and number of, okay na, it is also bulky complex compound बोल सकते हैं अपना compared to standard and formaldehyde. So due to presence of number of carbons, okay, we have to say that it contain the nature is fragrance nature. So it can be used in perfumes industry. Formaldehyde can be used in perfumes industry. So in perfumes industry, benzaldehyde can be used as a very important point. That one we have to say that flavoring agent. Flavoring agent. Okay ना बेटा, means okay order अच्छा मिल सकता है आपको, smell अच्छा आएगा बेटा. Number two is benzaldehyde. It can be used same Nana in the manufacturing of dyes. So यहाँ पर acetaldehyde we can prepare dyes, and formaldehyde I have told you dyes, and benzaldehyde it can also used in making dyes, but the dyes may be different. First suppose formaldehyde what I have given para-rosanilin and indigo dyes, but what about benzaldehyde? Benzaldehyde it can be used in the manufacturing of synthetic dyes. So one of the synthetic dye I am going to give you, the name of this compound is called malachite. Very important. So malachite is nothing but a chemical substance, nothing but a synthetic dye. By the addition of this dye to the food material, automatically it gives the color. The color is nothing but the green color. So benzaldehyde can be used in the manufacturing of synthetic dyes. The dye's name is nothing but malachite, which is in color is nothing but green color. Next point is I am going to tell you, simply aldehydes upon oxidation, generally we will get the carboxylic acids. So acetaldehyde gives acetic acid, I have given to you. Benzaldehyde gives benzoic acid. So benzaldehyde can be used in the manufacturing of benzoic acid. It can be used in manufacturing of one more compound, cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid. Sir, by using benzaldehyde, how to prepare cinnamic acid? That I am going to tell you in tomorrow's class only for objective point of view. That is nothing but Perkin's reaction. You don't worry, I will tell you in tomorrow's class, but that is only for objective point of view. Okay? Right. Again, benzaldehyde it can be used in the manufacturing of benzoic acid. We can say that cinnamic acid, and also we can prepare cinnamaldehyde. Yes, it's not only cinnamic acid, we can prepare cinnamaldehyde, and also benzaldehyde it can be used in the manufacturing of Schiff's bases. Schiff's bases, or we can say that substituted amines on reaction with primary amines. Okay na beta? Yeah. And आपको मालूम one thing clearly, aliphatic and aromatic, all types of aldehydes they are positive for Tollens test. Means you will get the silver mirror. So here also benzaldehyde, okay, aldehyde category, it is negative for failing, but it is positive for Tollens. Means it can be used in silvering of mirror test. That also you can write here, but you can't write silver for acetone, because of acetone is nothing but ketone category, does not form the silvering of, okay, now mirror does not form the black precipitate in Tollens test. Okay, all of you. So all the uses of ACE here I have given only 3. Try to remember the 3 clearly. Enough Nana. Don't need to discuss the extra information. Okay, fine. Now I want to tell you one of the very important objective points. So in that, one of the objective point is I want to tell about the chloritone. Chloritone. I have given here paraldehyde, hypnotic drug, formula also given to you. And this is nothing but chloritone. It can be used as hypnotic drug. But this is the drug prepared from acetone. Acetone gives chloritone on reaction with chloroform. So the final product of chloritone is central one carbon will be there, and here CH3 will be there, Nana, and here CH3 will be there. Looking like compound is what? Acetone. Upon reaction with chloroform means CHCl3. So H given to O means we can say that O becomes OH, and remaining in chloroform CCl3 is there. So what is the formula? C connected to two methyl groups and C connected to one side OH, C connected to CCl3. This is our formula of chloritone. It is nothing but hypnotic drug. Very, very important. Sir, what is the IUPAC name of this hypnotic drug? Yes, three chlorines, three side chains are there. 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So one contains 3 chlorines, 1 comma 1 comma 1. 3 chlorines, simply we can say the trichloro. Next one, second side chain is there. You suppose the side chain is nothing but methyl. 1 comma 1 comma 1. Trichloro 2 methyl. What beta? Trichloro 2 methyl. Remaining is 3 carbon. Simply we can say that propane 2 ol. Otherwise we can say that 2 propanol. What beta? 2 propanol. This is the information you must remember, Nana. And paraldehyde, it is also hypnotic drug. You should remember that formula also. That formula and this formula. And both are hypnotic drugs. Okay. But paraldehyde prepared from acetaldehyde, chloritone prepared from acetone. These things have to be focused on. Okay. As per our NCERT textbook, aldehydes and ketones syllabus were over. Okay. Few only objective reactions are there that we will discuss in tomorrow's class. But one more small point, Nana. Yeah. So not only these 4 compounds, beta, most of the carbonyl compounds which are having more number of carbons, definitely they contain fragrant smell. They are having good odor. So here I am going to say that not only benzaldehyde, beta, most of the carbonyl compounds they are very well known for odor and also what, Nana, is for their flavors. So most of the organic compounds, they are well known for their odor and what, Nana, flavors के लिए they are very well known because of they should contain more number of carbons and hydrogen, like for suppose benzaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde, like that, Nana. Okay, so I am going to show you some examples. Already I have given one of the example, that is nothing but benzaldehyde. It is used in perfumes industry as a flowering agent. Okay, now due to its good fragrance nature, Nana. Similarly, like benzaldehyde, some other examples, those are very important. In that, number 1 is vanillin. So the structure of vanillin I have given in the day 1 class nomenclature list. If you want, you can check there. So this is nothing but vanillin, one of the aldehydic compound. It was obtained from vanilla beans. Obtained from what, Nana? Vanilla beans से अपने को क्या मिलेगा? Vanillin मिलेगा. It contain good odor and what, beta, is flowers smell. Next thing is here I want to say about the cinnamaldehyde. So what is another aldehyde, beta? Simply we can say that cinnamaldehyde, it was obtained from cinnamon. It was obtained from what, Nana? Cinnamones. So try to imagine, beta, cinnamon is nothing but, okay, that biryani sticks, Nana. So in the making of biryani, generally we will add some sticks, na beta. So that sticks are nothing but these cinnamon sticks. From that, what we will get, beta? Cinnamaldehyde. Definitely you know very well that contains very well what, Nana? Fragrance nature. And also I am going to tell you one more compound. You suppose that is nothing but the salicylaldehyde. Yes. So salicylaldehyde, nothing but benzene bonded to CHO, next carbon connected to OH group. So such salicylaldehyde, it was obtained from meadow sweet. Meadow sweet is nothing but one type of herbaceous plant, nana. So from that we will get the salicylaldehyde. Again, that also very well known for its what, nana, fragrance point of view. So one objective question was repeated from this topic. What is the IUPAC name of vanillin? Vanillin का IUPAC name क्या हो सकता? So the IUPAC name of vanillin is, simply we have to consider benzene. Benzene connected to CH2. So what is the name, beta? Benzaldehyde. But opposite place is nothing but fourth place, it connected to OH group, and third place there will be one group, the group is nothing but OCH3 group. So functional group connected is 1, next carbon is 2, OCH3 connected is 3, and OH connected is 4. So simply based on this numbering we can write the IUPAC nomenclature for the given respective vanillin. So what will be the IUPAC name? Simply we can say that 4-hydroxy and 3-methoxy. 2b side chains cover हो गए बेटा. 4-hydroxy, 3-methoxy. Remaining is benzaldehyde. Otherwise you can say that benzene carbaldehyde. That IUPAC name already I have given in the day 1 class in the list of nomenclature story of aldehydes and ketones. Okay. So only few of the objective properties are left from the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. That we will discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay.